Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, y'all. First thing first, of course, we got a rain on. So, let's go ahead and hit them with a little salt. A little fresh pepper. Of course, we're gonna season both sides. And hey, y'all, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that bell while you're here too, y'all. Hit that bell. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of rosemary. That rosemary bring a special little flavor that I like to it. And hey, as I was making this video, my guy RV living with the geezer, hey, he asked me what I was cooking today. I told him lamb, and here it go. But hey, if you like beautiful sceneries, he's the one to check out. He's the one to check out, y'all. So now this is Italian breadcrumbs, and we're gonna get this all over this lamb. Now a little tip, I use my spritz. You know, of course, it's just a container with some olive oil in it that you can spray, and that helps get that breadcrumb all over that lamb. Because we want it coated really well. Now once we get everything coated up, we're gonna get it on our grilling rack of our air fryer. Then I'm gonna hit both sides again with my little spritz. Now once we get these coated with olive oil, let's go ahead and set up our air fryer. Now my air fryer has a grill option on it. And we're gonna set it at 425 for 20 minutes, which is not gonna take that long to cook. I think mine took 10. Because we're gonna insert our meat probe inside. And as soon as it hit that sweet spot of 145, we're gonna pull it on out. Now usually I have my lamb, because I like mine medium rare, but wifey eating with me this time. She usually don't eat lamb. But anyway, once we take them on out, this is what they look like. So yeah, let's cut this bad boy open and give it a taste. Oh yeah, take a look at that, y'all. Wifey even enjoyed this, and she's not even that big on lamb. So now I'll add me a little bit of this sweet pepper sauce, and let's give our fried zucchini a taste, which we already know these good, y'all. We already know that. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.